What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing very well as always. So what we planned the last update, we planned some different, we was looking for some push to the upside here on Bitcoin. It was two push to the upside here for some wave 5 before to finish that wave 4 and to make this wide and to finish this C wave 2. Okay, what we have done here is just a truncated wave 5. So speak the wave 5 stop before the wave 3. This is more likely what we have done. Of course, there are some different possibilities. For example, here this is not a wave 1 to 2 5, but this is an A, a B, and a C with 5 waves, a truncated. In that case, if we have an ABC and a C wave, we can look for an ending next. Okay, so this is a first possibility here we can look for. Now, if we have done the wave 4, okay, we possibly have done the wave 4 now. And again, these are the more likely scenarios for me. Okay, these are not, there is, for example, a bullish count, a super bullish count, there is, for example, a super bearish count, there is a sideways count here. There are tons of different possibilities as we are in correction wave. Now, the more likely, to make it really easy, okay, I'm just playing with the most easiest case. So to speak, it has been playing perfectly for a long time now. Just here at the top, not the best, but we just have done the truncated wave 5. Otherwise, waves normally are still the same. So if we have 5 waves here, okay, we just have to place our wave 4 top here. Normally the Y leg also on the top right there, and the C wave right here too. Okay, on the wave 4 top right there. I'm going to leave them right here on the very top. I'm going to remove, by the way, these targets because we don't care anymore. Right here. Okay, so this is the first possibility with 5 waves done like this. Okay. We can still make an ending, as I said here in the C wave. This is something possible to do, depending which support we hold or not all the way down. If we bounce off a support with some really good data to get a bounce, and then we get a tons of longs opening here, this is going to be classed as a strong move to the upside, and we can expect to push higher in that case. Okay, but if we don't have any of this, we just keep moving down, maybe with the weakness, but no strength to push higher. We are more likely in the wave 5 directly. So here what we can do is, of course, to add our wave 5 targets to see what we can do here. What we did here also is because we feel a short here on the very top, to be honest, because on the very top right here, okay, first of all, and then another possible one right here. Why? Because we're the swing fully pound. So this was, by the way, what we was looking, the VIP live stream number 17. Okay, so this is, we was looking for a rise here. When I was doing this, I was saying this is my main scenario, this is what I think we're more likely going to do. Now we still have all different possibilities, A, B, C flat, triangle, everything. Recognize next when we did a push to the upside here before to break this, that the triangle looks really less likely as it don't match on the RSI. So yeah, this was still the more likely scenario. This is exactly what we did. Take the high here and then we'll move it down. Okay, so I fear so we planned the very top here. It was simply a daily level. Okay, I don't know if I still have that one. No, so you have to go on the daily time frame. You have to find some more confidence with the target I give you. So here, for example, you have a daily level, and this is exactly like at the dollar, right, what we rejected on the very top right here. You can see this is really at the dollar what we rejected here. This is pretty insane. So it had been just super well respected, and was looking for that for a long moment now, because when it was already here, was already looking for a possible daily here for a resistance. So we went into that and got a nice reject of this. The prem is now on the top. We know we was looking for a possible for a possible wave 5, double wave 5 still to the upside here. What we have done here is simply, and that's why here the order flow is just super important, because thanks to the order flow here, we have been able to show the top, and even next the data was not bullish at all. Why? Because we got absorption on the high. So absorption is when you have market orders come in, for example here in this push to the upside right here, right there. So you have tons of longs open. You can see it because you have an increasing of the open interest like this, increasing here while moving to the upside. These are tons of longs opening, and also right here, as you can see, we have a tons of longs opening. The problem is, what do we have here? We have absorption on the highs. We have a high, a low, a high here. Okay, we have a low high here. We have a high and a high. You can see this high is higher than the previous high, so we have absorption here, a divergence. This means that we have a lot of market order longs coming in, but we have some limited order shorts absorbing these market order longs to the upside. So is it really classed as bullish? No. Next, again, we have a high, a low high. Here we have again a high and a higher high. So again, we have absorption here on the high. We have absorption, and then we got the demand following here to get acceptance to go more down. So is it reclassed as bullish on the very top? Not really, to be honest with you. Okay, we got a bit of absorption on the lows, but not demand following next to push higher. So that's why was also looking for a short around there. As I say to VIPs, we have a possible swing for the panel with absorption, new short, need new short to get a continuation. And it seemed they're coming, and yes, they was coming. So that's why I filled my short here. And before the weekend, I was in a long from the bottom, okay, and in a short from this very top of the move. I mean, very top is almost on the very top of the move, because of this, yeah, because we got all of this absorption, everything that was not reclassed as bullish. That's why it was more likely a short to take than a long to take here. And yeah, we rejected normally the first target. I mean, we rejected the first target of the wave 5 here, so it's pretty nice. So now ending in the C. Okay, this is what I'm more looking for at the moment. Or we can look directly for the wave 5 here. Of course, we have a double XY here, so we can of course look for a bigger correction and everything. But I'm not going to cover that. I'm really going to take the most easiest case all the time, and this is most of the time what internal probability is what plays out. So now what we can do here, just go on the 2-hour time frames. Okay, I mean the only thing I have to do is to know how to trade these waves. Okay. So here, boom, you place your extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 bottom right here to the wave 4 top right there, and this will give you, so you can take, if you want, the very top of the very top to make sure to not miss the trade. Okay, because if for example we bounce off this target and not for example the 161 a bit below, you will miss the trade. So maybe take the highest price right there. Now normally, because normally with these waves we'll have done a truncated wave 5 here, so normally we take the end of the panel here and we drag it here. Now I'm going to take the top right there just in case we have done some really weird wave, and we have done the top there to make sure we don't miss the wave 5 target right here, the first one. Okay, so the first target is not really that one. Okay, I'm just going to add you the wave 5 targets here. The first target of the wave 5 is a 620, so to speak, where we are at the moment. Now, again, this will result to a wave 5 truncated those top before the wave 3 top right bottom right here. So this is possible to bounce off that to make a wave 5 like and broke it. And now, in terms of probabilities, again, this is not at all the more likely, really not at all. Then we have the 1-to-1 extension right here. Okay, so 618 first of all, then we have the 1-to-1 extension, then we have the 1618 right there a bit below, and then we have the 261 point right here a bit below. 261 point match by with a Y 100% of the extension tool. Okay, so it's pretty cool, you know, the big double XY to the downside. So normally the first target we should reach with this wave to the downside, if we confirm the wave 5, of course, if we're seeing the wave 5 and not seeing the C wave, is normally this 1618. We can still bounce before, as I said, but it's just really less probable. Okay, so now to confirm also that we are in a wave 5, we can look for a 5 ways impulsive to the downside. What we possibly have now, it can be an ABC, as these are the exact same small wave. Okay, so maybe a correction to push higher, or a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get a continuation next to go more down. Because in a wave 5, we want to get a 5 ways impulsive or an ending. So by the way, it can be also an ending here. If we have a 5 ways correction, 5 ways. This is an ABC, and we cannot finish a wave 5 with an ABC only. We are going to expect in that case to make a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 ending. Okay, so a wedge to the downside here. But yeah, so normally the first target, the more likely one is this one. So possible just take the low and pump it up. Otherwise, we can look for the 261 point maximum target right here. Now, are we going to do an extension of the wave 5 or not, so to speak, just break every FIB target and just continue to move more down? This only time have the answer, and for now we do not have the wave 1, 2, so we cannot really say and break down. Okay, this is impossible to break this as we don't have wave yet. So this is what I'm looking for at the moment. Now there are, as I said, some of the different scenarios, but just really to help you in your wave count to really see what we did here. This is a possibility. There are some different counts possible still to the upside, such as an ABC. So in that case, boom, a wave 1, 2, 3, a wedge here to the upside. We're going to do maybe some different stuff like this. Okay, we can do. But yeah, the order flow is just really important, because with this you're able to take some trades, some legendary trades. Really, it's insane. So I mean, this is not a very long video today, I think, but I just wanted to update with you everything here, okay, to show a bit of different possibilities, and in case we jump from here, the possible target all the way down here, okay. Sorry. So yeah, that's all really. So as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like. Hope you feel short right there on the very top, because in case we're in the wave 5 now, we're going to drop normally. So we're going to go more down, really more down, or minimum takes a low here. So this was a very nice short to take. As always, if you want to learn trading, you're at the right place, because I'm going to teach you Elliott Waves. I'm going to teach you MOONCHARTS also, by the way. So you have everything in the course. You have also a beginnerized course for free. You have also the Elliott Waves course number 1, 2, and 3 for free on the website. Otherwise, you have all the other stuff on Elliott Wave and MOONCHARTS. So some really important videos. Here you have all the correction pattern, leadings, endings, how to trade them, everything, the RSI. You have also some Elliott Wave card. You have also a full PDF on the Elliott Wave I made. Really all the information you need. You have also some quiz. You have a lot of stuff available. You have also MOONCHARTS. Here you can download some my template clearly. You have some daily updates daily for an apprentice. Otherwise VIP, you have every day some updates, and you have all of this course on MOONCHARTS with also some few stuff right there by the way, and some quiz also below right here. Okay, so you have everything you need clearly to really master the chart. And yeah, with VIPs we have also some different stuff, some updates, Sunday live stream, daily MOONCHARTS updates, some market updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP. Less these days on Cardano, XRP, but we still have some few ones, and my long-term TA on a lot of crypto. Anyway, as always, don't forget to smash that like I said if you enjoy the content, if you are making money with this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it's extremely important. Don't forget to turn on notifications if you want to get noticed for the next update. And yeah, take care of this, important. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Cheers.